Yo, what is good, everybody? If you guys want a free ebook and you are on Instagram right now, comment the word ebook, all one word below, and I'll send that to you. So, guys, we are actually on day 2, and I am very excited because we're about to go over some really useful information that is going to help all of you out and help you guys start trading. So this is day 2. If you guys do not know, I have started last week doing this masterclass where Monday through Friday, I'm going to teach you guys how to start trading Forex as a complete beginner. This class is free. All you have to do is show up. I go live on my Instagram and YouTube at 5 p.m. PST every single day. So before we get started, the masterclass orientation, I'm going to give you guys like 1 to 2 minutes to get prepared before we actually start. So this class starts every day. It's Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. PST and 8 p.m. PST. Do not be late. If you guys need to set a reminder on your phone to be here 15 minutes before, just so you're prepared, definitely would do that. Second point, be prepared. Like I just mentioned, a pen and notebook is needed. If you guys really want to dissect this information I'm going to give you and learn from it effectively, you need to write it down. Let's just be real. Do not be lazy. The best way for you guys to join is on a laptop because your phone screen is a little bit smaller. So if I have my phone screen like this, the live is only going to pop up in the middle of the screen and you can't turn it sideways like this. So if you guys go to Instagram and you log in on a computer, you're going to be able to see the screen on a much bigger presentation. Or you guys can simply go to my YouTube. My YouTube is Colt Most Def. It's there should be a link on my Instagram bio. So definitely I recommend joining on a laptop. Get ready to learn and how to make money from trading Forex. If you guys do not know me, my name is Colt Most Def. I have been trading for the past 9 years. I've made over $500,000 traded, and I've helped over 10,000 people successfully trade Forex. So my goal this year is to help as many people as I can learn how to trade Forex for 100% free. I'm going to be doing these master classes all 2024. So hypothetically, let's say that you missed day 1, show up on day 2, which is today, day 3, 4, and 5, and then show up on day 1 next Monday. And just like a movie, guys, if you watch a movie for the first time, you may not see things as if you were to watch a movie the second time. So as you go through this masterclass, you might need to do it like 2, 3, 4, or 5 times to fully comprehend this information. And my direct message is always open, guys. Send me a message if you guys have questions or need anything. If you are just coming on this live, comment below ebook, all one word, EBOOK below, and I'll send you a free ebook where all this information is compiled that you guys will have access to. So now let's go into using proper risk. There's a lot of people that come into this industry and they have this bad reputation. They have this bad taste in their mouth and they say, oh, Forex is this, Forex is that. And ideally, a lot of people treat trading as gambling. It's very, very similar. So when we're trading, it's important to understand that when I'm personally trading, I don't want to be risking a lot of money per trade. So I'm risking 1 to 3% per trade to be safe. You guys should be taking a screenshot or notes of all this stuff. Let's be real. If you guys take a screenshot, though, you're most likely never going to look at that screenshot ever again. But if you take notes, you're going to have to put in the work to write down those notes. You're going to retain the information a lot more effectively, and you're going to have a notebook with all the stuff that you can kind of go through at any point in time. So if you are an aggressive trader and you're like, you know what, Cole, I feel like 1 to 3% is a little too safe for me, you can risk like 5 to 10% between that range. But if you're really just focused on understanding the process of trading, you just want data and you want to learn how this works, there's absolutely no rush. When you guys are trading, you can trade off a demo account. So if you guys download the app MetaTrader 4, that's the mobile app that we actually trade off of. So let's go over the lot size chart right here. This is basically the account size and the lot size that you would be using for that account size. And then I'll go over how to measure risk when trading. So we have our lot size chart. If you put $100 into your trading account, whether you're with Forex.com or Awanda.com or a broker of your choice, usually when you have $100 in your trading account, you're going to be doing a 0.01 lot size. And I'll show you guys how that looks in a second. $200, 0.02 lot size. $300, 0.03. $400, 0.04. $500, 0.05. And then when you step up to the kind of big leagues and you have $1,000 in your trading account, you can do a 10-cent lot. So how do we measure risk when trading? Comment the word ebook, all one word below, guys, and I'll send you an ebook that I just made. So how do you guys measure risk when trading? Get your account size. So if I have $10,000 in my account, then you're going to figure out the risk, 1%. Then you're going to calculate how big your stop loss is. An example would be a 10 pip stop loss on a $10,000 account with the 1.00 lot size is risking $100. So a pip is simply a measurement in price when the market goes up or down. And on the next page, I'm going to explain that more in depth. So understanding pips, now we're actually starting to look at charts, and this is going to be a lot more clear. So if you're wondering where I got this chart from, it's tradingview.com. Once again, this ebook that I have created for you guys is going to be a tremendous help. Just comment the word ebook in the comments, and I'll send you that ebook. All one word, EBOOK. Comment that below. So, like I said, a pip is a measurement in price. The market goes up or down 10 pips. So if I were to use a 10-cent lot size and I catch 100 pips, you will make $100. Now let's go into this example right here. We can see that potentially we would have taken a sell right here. That little white line in the middle is where we entered. The red box, the end of the red box is our stop loss. And the end of the green box is our take profit. So our stop loss is to protect our order when we go into a trade. So the cool thing about trading is it's pretty much all automated. Once you enter a trade, you put your stop loss and you take in your take profit, and whatever one it hits, it will automatically exit you out of the trade. So with our stop loss right here on the chart, we could see 46 pips for our stop loss, or SL for short. Then we have our take profit is 133 pips for our take profit, or TP. So instead of saying stop loss, you could just say SL, or for take profit, you could say TP. It's like TP like toilet paper. Now let's go to the next slide. So here's how we're going to be measuring a move. If GBP/JPY, this is pips. If GBP/JPY goes from 191.000 to 192.000, that is a 100 pip move. So here's an example. On the left, we can see this depiction. That's a chart of GBP/JPY. And as we measure it, we have this little measurement tool I'm going to show you guys in a second. We can measure it. And if we expect price to push up here from current price to that previous high, that would be a 217 pip move. Now, the way that we actually measure the charts and see how big of a move the markets might go, there's this tool. It's a measurement tool. So it's this little ruler on tradingview.com. And once again, if you guys want to know all about this stuff and you want to like have an ebook, a little booklet that will help you out, comment the word ebook below, EBOOK. I know I keep telling you guys this, but you guys need this ebook. It's going to be so helpful. So we have this measurement tool that's really going to help us define how big of a move we're predicting. So entering a trade on MetaTrader 4. We have TradingView on the left, which is the platform that we use. Let me pull it up on my laptop so I can show you guys. TradingView is like this. You can have it on your iPad like I have right here, on your laptop, a bigger monitor. So we have TradingView on the left and MetaTrader 4 on the right. So TradingView is ideally where we're going to analyze the markets. Then MetaTrader 4 is where we're going to execute the trade. So MetaTrader 4 is where we're actually going to be physically trading. So on TradingView, we could see that this is a potential trade that we're looking at. We're looking to buy it. So we have this is actually mixed around. Our take profit is up here at this green line. And then our stop loss is right here at this red line. So our take profit is 193.948. Stop loss is 190.156. So we can see on MetaTrader 4, we have GBP, JPY. That's the pair, the currency pair that we're trading. We're trading the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. So if we want GBP, JPY to go up, we want the value of the Great British Pound to be greater than the Japanese Yen. So as we can see right here on MetaTrader 4, we're using a 1.00 lot size. Our stop loss is the same stop loss right here, 190.156. Take profit, 193.948. 193.948. So you're going to analyze the charts on TradingView like I mentioned. Get your parameters, your stop loss and take profit. Then you input them on MetaTrader 4 and you simply click sell by market if you're selling, or you click buy by market if you are buying. That simple, and then you're in a trade. So once you're actually in the trade, this is how you can manually close a trade. If you hold down your position on the trade tab and then push close, the close button right here, it will then take you to this page right here. So you can see it says, then hit close with loss of or profit of. So close with loss, $13.86. So if you are in a trade and you don't think it's going to hit your TP or your stop loss, you can manually trade or close the trade. You don't have to wait for it to hit your take profit or stop loss. But at the end of the day, I would recommend letting your trade hit either the stop loss or take profit, because with trading, the biggest thing is impatience. A lot of people are very impatient when it comes to trading. And one form of being impatient when it comes to trading is closing a trade prematurely. You do not want to close the trade before it hits your stop loss, or close a trade before it hits your take profit. There's been so many times where I've been in a trade and it was so close to hitting my stop loss. I was like, do you know what? It's most likely going to hit my stop loss. I'm going to exit the trade now. And then I look back an hour later, it didn't hit my stop loss and it eventually hit my take profit. So it's very important. I can't even talk today, guys. It's very important that you guys understand how important little things like being patient is, not being greedy, waiting for your setup to come and not forcing a trade. There's all these little things that you have to learn and implement in your trading. So that's the cool thing about trading, is it really teaches you a lot about yourself. If you guys want an ebook that I made, comment in the live chat ebook, EBOOK. Comment that below and I'll send you an ebook. Okay, so this was the last slide for day 2. Day 3 is going to be a lot more advanced. Like I said, guys, if we go back to the orientation, take a screenshot of this so you guys have this in the future. Every Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. PST, I will be going live. Do not be late. I'm either going live on Instagram or YouTube. And if you guys don't know about my YouTube, there is a link in my bio, or it's just Colt Most Def. So, guys, I appreciate you all coming on. I will see you guys on tomorrow's masterclass. And I'm excited, guys. A lot of you are going to become very successful in this industry over the next couple of months. I am here to help you. Whatever you guys need, I'm a text away, a phone call away. For all of you that are coming from YouTube, follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram, I'm really active and I'm answering my DMs every day. So I will see you guys tomorrow.